Hey, oh, yeah. I've been trying to take my eyes off you. Oh, girl, it ain't easy, just let go of that body. Why you gotta keep flirting like you do? I waited so patiently, but you don't seem sorry. I seen a little DM, trying to make some plans. Now come on, baby, later in the PM, hope that you would understand. I think that if you get to know me, you see I'm way more than nice. I wanna hold you, let me feel you till the morning light. I'm more than just 9 to 5. Everyone's known it's only you and I. Looks like we'll be staying up all night. Time to play what you say, I'm here for you. I'm working overtime. I'm more than 9 to 5. Come on, let your clothes drop down to the floor. I wanna see you moving slowly to the music. We'll be dimming the lights, then lock the door. I know it sounds crazy, but hey, we're gonna do it. Come on, yeah. Send a little DM, trying to make some plans. Trying, baby. Maybe later in the PM, hope that you would understand. I think that if you get to know me, you see I'm way more than nice. I wanna hold you, let me feel you till the morning light. I'm more than just 9 to 5. Everyone's known it's only you and I. Looks like we'll be staying up all night, up all night. Time to play what you say, I'm here for you. I'm working overtime. I'm more than 9 to 5, baby. Ooh, I'm more than just 9 to 5. Everyone's known it's only you and I, you and I. Looks like we'll be staying up all night. Time to play what you say, I'm here for you. I'm working overtime. I'm more than 9 to 5. Yeah. Everyone's known it's only you and I. Oh, yeah. Looks like we'll be staying up all night. You're up all night. Time to play what you say, I'm here for you. I'm working overtime. More than 9 to 5. More than 9 to 5, baby. Yeah.
We should take a walk someday, dream about what we could have been, about what we could have been. I don't wanna leave this place. No faith in Brooklyn, faith in Brooklyn. If I move out one day, it will make me a better man. What up, your man? What up, your man? It's Hoodie. It's Hoodie. Oh my God, wait a menu. Bring me all your sushi for the bitches at the venue. Stop, drop, roll, continue. Cause they just trying to mingle. And I'm just trying to sing you a song. Tell you that I'm leaving, but it won't be long. If it was up to me, I would see you tomorrow. Talk's cheap when I'm playing up.
We have ping pong, it's great. We have this little news thing in our elevator saying emperor penguins are in trouble. Oh, never mind, changed. It has like studies and stuff. It's cool.
Wireless.
A selfie stick? I don't know.
That's what
Oh,
we
look
look
at
for
that.
because it already has
Yeah,
the
the
camera in it.
wireless, right?
Yeah.
Wow. This looks amazing. There's meetings. Food. We even have a gym here at work. It's pretty cool. You have to sign up for it, but it's nice. All right, so I moved away from my desk because there's people in the room talking and it was kind of annoying. So I went out to this little balcony area on the 9th floor. It's pretty cool. It has like paintings everywhere. I'm gonna try to do some coding, try to fix some bugs and stuff. All right, so I'm gonna go up to the 13th floor. I'm on the 9th floor right now because I want to see how my old coworkers are doing. I gotta submit some forms, so I'm going back down. It's time for me to head home after a good day of coding. So luckily I parked my car right outside the building on the 9th floor. All right, I can cook, but I'm gonna have some Chipotle because I can cook and because I want to. Yeah. All right, I got the Chipotle. Let's take it home, boys and girls. I got to park in the garage today. My roommates didn't take it, or my housemates, whatever they are. Barely fit that car into this garage. We had to build a wood. Oh, you can't see that. Never mind. All right, thank you for watching my day in the life of software engineer, not from Silicon Valley video. So if you enjoyed it, subscribe or like this video. Yeah, I guess the rest of the day I would normally try to improve my coding skills, kind of like doing I've been doing Project Euler. Euler is how you pronounce it. A lot of people pronounce it Euler, Euler, but it's actually Euler. I would know with a physics degree because everything we used in physics used or not everything, but a lot of things we used Euler stuff. Like if you ever E 2.71828, I used to know like 50 digits of that. That's Euler came up with that. But anyways, Project Euler is like kind of like LeetCode code kind of questions, except they're more mathematically based. So like might be like saying like solve this many primes that are with this and this condition. But yeah, anyways, I like solving those because kind of reminds me back to like number theory kind of stuff. But it's, yeah, you kind of need like the code to do it. So I've been solving that with using like Node and JavaScript, but I think it would probably be better to do it with like C++ or like Python, at least for making it faster. But whatever. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys.